Hello guys, we will see one more matrix today called defect severity index. So this is also one matrix. Okay, defect severity index. So here we are going to measure how many defects raised, means severity defects raised. How many high severity defects raised. So how we are going to measure this matrix, defect severity index matrix. Okay, so this matrix used to capture total number of high severity bugs or defects raised. So this is what we are going to learn here, defect severity index. No? So this can be measured in the formula defect severity index. Total number of severity defects by total number of defects. So this is what this defect severity index is, means how many severity bugs raised, okay, out of total number of bugs. So this is how we are going to calculate the defect severity index matrix. Thank you guys.